Test.
I don't know, the concept that we're teaching you here, that we're going to continue to teach you additional processes that work in the same fashion that these work. So like the whole point of this is to teach you like taking somebody from a website through an ad that shifts their mindset from the whatever kind of website it is. For example, on Facebook, it's the social mindset. But taking from social, shifting their mindset gradually over to that buyer's mindset, and then sending them over to an offer. And there's various different ways of doing that. Sometimes we use image ads like we're going to show you today, but in the future we're going to show you some additional stuff, some various types of ads, and some various types of processes. Today we're going to cover the Quizlander and the advertorial, and in the future we're going to go into some additional pull. But it's extremely powerful. And this is what's responsible for the majority of Gary's results, what's responsible for the majority of our mentors' results, what's responsible for the majority of our students' results. So it's very simple. So here it is. This is literally
That's
a
all.
multi-million
To kind of
dollar
see if I can do it here.
Quizlander. And we've pulled out an example of a Quizlander that Gary actually used for, what was it called, Venus Factor back in the day, a few years
Oh
ago.
yeah.
Yeah, that's right.
Test pass.
Yeah, we